How to swaddle a baby and help calm a crying baby. Swaddling can be a great way to help your newborn sleep longer and cry less. Maybe babies love it because it recreates the feeling of being back in the womb, which makes many newborns feel safe and secure. All you need for swaddling your baby is a lightweight blanket. Spread out a blanket and fold down one corner into a triangle. Place your baby's head just above the fold of the triangle. Wrap one side of the blanket over the body with the arm inside. Pull the blanket taut and tuck it underneath. Now fold up from the bottom, bringing the blanket up to the shoulder. Make sure baby's legs can bend and the blanket isn't wrapped too tight. Finally, wrap the other side of the blanket across the body, securing baby's other arm. Tuck the blanket under, and that's it. Make sure they're taut, but not swaddled too tightly, and feel free to turn on some soothing sounds to help them drift off. Always lay your bundled baby on their back and on a firm, flat surface. You should monitor them to be sure they don't roll over while swaddled. You'll want to stop swaddling as soon as your baby shows any signs of trying to roll over, usually around 2 months old. Thanks for watching. Our mission at Enfamil is to empower you with ways to promote the health and well-being of your child. If you like this video, please remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips, and visit us at enfamil.com.